Welcome to the Forexation YouTube channel, and today we're going to talk about the number one mistake traders make, and that is they're not managing their risk properly. So if you haven't already, click that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and we'll dive into this video. So what is risk management? Well, that is identifying and measuring and controlling risk in order to minimize losses and maximize profits. That is the secret sauce to becoming a successful and a very profitable trader. It's important because every trade you take, you are opening yourself up to risk and potentially losing money. But if you manage the amount that you're going to lose, if you do lose, that increases your chance of success because you're not taking big losses, and those profits will become bigger than that risk you took, and then that starts snowballing even though you have losing trades. But there's more risk than just your stop loss. There's the risk of the market moving against you. There's the liquidity risk of not being able to sell quickly. Now, on the Forex and futures markets, you really don't have to worry about that just because there's so much money flowing through. That's really if you're doing penny stocks or smaller stocks. Then we also have volatility risk. Now, this does affect the futures and Forex markets, but even more so penny stocks or just smaller companies where they could drop, 60%, 100% in a day, where in Forex and futures, sure, you could lose a lot of money or make a lot of money, but in the grand scheme of price, they're a lot more stable. And then the last one, which we've seen a lot of in the past few years, and that is political risk, the risk of political events affecting price. If you just Google some events and then go look on the charts and see how price moved on those days, you could see when something big is going on in the world, stay out of the market and control your risk at these times. So how do you manage your risk? Well, you need to set a risk tolerance. You need to determine what you're comfortable risking per trade so that you don't become so emotional where you cannot think properly and stick to your plan when trading. This could be a set percentage, dollar amount, whatever you're comfortable with, and yet it's written in your trading strategy. Make sure you stick to that, and it's something you are comfortable with. Always use stop losses. This is basically a fee you're going to be paying your security guard to say, hey, watch this trade. If it goes here, I don't want to be in this trade anymore. Close my trade. So don't think of it as I'm losing money. Think of it as it's a fee you're going to pay if you are wrong. And when you get into that mindset, you feel more comfortable getting stopped out because you said, okay, that is all I was going to give this trade. If it was going any lower than this, I know I'm a losing trade and I could lose a lot more money. So here, I'm going to pay you, get me out of this trade. And then another one a lot of people don't think about because they're so focused on day trading and scalping is diversifying your portfolio. And this is going to help you spread your capital across different markets. So maybe when one's underperforming or you're making more losses here, these ones are on the rise and kind of, hedging against your losses. So for me, I have my 401k, or I rolled it over. It's an IRA now. But then I also have my Roth IRA where I max that out first and then the rest goes into my IRA. And I just use Charles Schwab for that. That is, mutual funds, index funds, and then stocks that I buy into in the Roth. Then I have my real estate funds with Fundrise. And with that, I'm able to buy into these projects and invest that way without me going out and finding these real estate deals. And after that, I put some in a high yield savings account, and that's how I split up my money. And I will buy more funded accounts, challenges, and get funded with more capital that way. Do my day trading, and then funnel that money into those long-term investment accounts. So that way, those are compounding. I have all the dividends and interest reinvested. So I keep getting more and more shares, and those are kind of just growing on their own while I focus heavily on my day trading. Know gambling. Do your research, whether you're investing in stocks, Forex, or futures. Make sure you do your research, analyze the charts, and go in with a plan. And don't just let your emotions tell you to buy or sell because everything goes up, right? And that leads to don't trade with your emotions, because this is going to get you off track of what works and put you into a realm where those candles start to manipulate you into doing something that you know you don't want to trade. And you're going to start taking bad trades, and that's going to lead you to taking big losses. So let's wrap this up. Risk management is essential for any trader who wants to be successful. Take time to understand and implement these tips into your trading and investing. Now, if you want to dive deeper with us, we do offer a course that's part of our trading academy that's called The Mindset of a Trader. And this goes into the emotional side of trading, how to get yourself disciplined and get yourself towards consistency and not letting your emotions control you. If you sign up for our free 5-day boot camp, link down in the description, you'll get $400 off of that trading academy, making it only at the time right now is $99. You're going to get the Mindset of a Trader course, Becoming a Trader course, and our Advanced Trader course, where we teach you everything we know, how to figure out your edge in the market and make your trading plan so you can have your consistent and profitable trading that you have desired in your trading career. You'll also get our free trading journal, 1 copy included for you, and we use it every single day. You're going to love it. Helps you stay focused and analyze your trading. So if you haven't already, hit subscribe, click that thumbs up, and down below, join our 5-day free boot camp. That's going to teach you price action, and also you'll get access to that huge discount on our trading academy.